Hi, Michael Gaffney. I'm here today with Flower Crazy, my invention that I've been selling on QVC. I invented this on my kitchen counter at home. One day I was watching QVC and I thought I should be on that show. So I ran to Michael's, I bought clay, I molded it, baked it in my oven, wrapped it in towels, did nothing about manufacturing anything, and took it to New York and created this. Why did I create it? Because the two most difficult containers in the flower business that everybody wants are the cube and the cylinder. Your flowers flop out of it. You have to scotch tape it, which is ridiculous because you don't get enough flowers, even when you scotch tape it, to make it look like this. Flower Crazy comes with different lids with perfect beveled holes that will hold your flower. It's like a reverse frog. I'm the only one who does this. This is patented. No one else can do it. There's 3 different lids that come in every box, different size holes for roses, peonies, baby's breath. There's a recipe book right there that gives you 12 different styles of design to do, include all the recipes, the list of flowers, mixed designs, contemporary designs using all dendrobium orchids. So this is really for those of you who just want to buy flowers. The secret is you chop them all the same length, about 9 inches. And every hole holds your flower in perfect array. It's based on math and science, people. That's why it works so well. You cannot deny good math and science. Perfect bridal bouquets, perfect everyday bouquets, perfect kitchen counter bouquets, perfect welcome to the neighborhood. Thank you for having me over for dinner. Sorry to hear your cat died. I love you. Thinking of you. Perfect. So you get the cube and the cylinder. You can choose. You get your 3 lids inside. You get your recipe book, and you just buy flowers and chop them one length. That is the secret. 9 inches, roughly 9, 8, 9, 10 inches. Chop them, stick them in the holes that are provided, and it fills in the entire flower arrangement. So Flower Crazy is for people who have no clue how to design flowers. This will get you home. I sold $70,000 in about 6 minutes, I think, on QVC. It's my only invention that I've created, and it works really well. So if you want to get Flower Crazy, go to my website. Remember, I have design schools all around the country. I also one in Paris, London, and Rome. If you want to find out about classes, go to the website. If you want to buy Flower Crazy, go to the website. I also have 3 books on design. I have online classes where I'll ship you the flowers. I have online classes where I give you a student ID, and you can go to the wholesalers where I have schools and buy your flowers. Don't you want to get in on a wholesale deal? Yes. So, flowerschool101.com is the way to go. See Flower Crazy, see the classes, see the books, come join me in class, or I'll come to your house and do them online. Either way it works. If you have a group taking a class, we've got group classes set up where the box of flowers is sent to you. You don't have to go out and find the flowers because you're not going to find the right flowers. And the video is sent to you, and the whole group can watch it over and over and over again, right in your office while you're having fun. Come on up and take a look at these, Jacob, again. These are remind you, these are done in 10 minutes worth of time. This is our millennial look, our little messy millennial look, and there is our more classic bouquet. I said either one of these, once Flower Crazy has done it, you can pull it right out of here and hold it in your hand and go get married. Look at that. Formed into a perfect bouquet using Flower Crazy. In 5 to 10 minutes, these are done. Proof is in the design. So, I'm Michael Gaffney again, saying Flower School 101, and my advice is to keep blooming.